What's the meaning of Colorado? Colorado. Colorado.
Colorado. Colorado. Colorado is a state in the western United States, with a population of approximately 5.8 million people. The state's capital and largest city is Denver. The name Colorado derives from the Spanish word for colored red, which describes the Colorado River. Known for its picturesque mountain ranges and outdoor recreation opportunities, Colorado is also home to a thriving economy, with key industries including healthcare, technology, and renewable energy. The state boasts many cultural attractions, such as museums, galleries, and performing arts venues, and is also known for its delicious cuisine and craft beer scene.